Year 680 CE, during Muharram, Imam Hussein, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad, stood against Yazid's oppressive rule. The battle in Karbala became a symbol of courage and righteousness in Islamic history. Imam Hussein, with his family and companions, refused to pledge allegiance to Yazid, known for tyranny and deviation from Islam. Hussein believed Yazid's actions threatened justice, compassion, and morality, standing for the entire Muslim community. The journey to Karbala was long, with Hussein joined by 72 loyal supporters, including family. Though small in number, their faith was immense. Upon reaching Karbala, they faced Yazid's army, numbering in the thousands, ready to confront them. Over 10 days of Muharram, Imam Hussein and his companions faced severe hardships, including scarcity of water and isolation. Despite these challenges, they remained steadfast in prayers and reflection upon the Quran, finding strength in their belief in Allah. On Ashura, the battle erupted. Imam Hussein's followers stood valiantly against Yazid's forces, showing unparalleled courage and devotion. Vastly outnumbered, they fought with dignity and honor, inspired by Hussein's leadership. Imam Hussein was a beacon of inspiration, reminding his companions of their just cause. Ultimately, Hussein was martyred along with his companions, marking a tragic yet transformative event in Islamic history. The legacy of Imam Hussein's sacrifice speaks volumes about standing for righteousness and justice, even in overwhelming adversity. His steadfastness in protecting Islam's true message shows that truth and justice must guide one's actions, regardless of personal cost.